folders, you can create views and models, all this stuff. So I can name it like a, let's say, views. So view, then I will create a folder for the model as well. Okay, so in that view, I'm going to create, let's say, home page. Or you can, let's see. So in this home page, I'm creating like a first import the material dot, and I'm creating a stateless widget first. So this is my home page, and what I'm going to do, I'm just import that file inside the main.dot. So this is a really good practice to just divide your code in different pages, like a different widgets are in a separate file. So you can easily read your code as well, and if you want to do any changes, you can directly go in that page. So this is our page. So first thing first, what is a first element in our widget tree after the material app is like a scaffold. So here is a scaffold. So scaffold has a property of app bar. I'm going to use the app bar. Here I'm going to use the title, and the title will need a text widget, which will give you the travel app. Okay, so let me run this first, then we will move. So are you able to see my emulator as well, simulator?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's the big. So what I will do, I will just smaller the screen. Just a minute. So it will be like a side by side. What happened?
Ma'am, one of the participant is asking to repeat this linking file section in the chat box.
Okay, yeah, okay. So what I have created, I haven't linked anything yet. What I have done, I have just created a folder, and in that folder I have created a file. Okay, so in that file I have just written the main whatever we want to create a widget. I have just need to do that. So I have just created a separate file with the stateless widget. Okay, and you just need to go here and call that class. It's a class name. It's not a page name. You can see here. I'm not calling the home page file. I'm calling the home class, which you can going to see here. Here is the class name, right? So you are going to call that class inside the main.dat file. So now normally so it is the import. We are importing that file inside the main.dat file. Let me know why it's not coming. Oh, just a minute. I will just start again. Maybe simulator. See. It should work. So while waiting for this, let me create more files for this in view folder. Let's say I will create a new file. Uh, let's say CT page. Okay. Then okay, it's coming. Okay. So first thing, the our home page. What happened? Why it's giving me so much trouble today? It's freeze. Sorry about this technical glitch. What happened? Okay, now. So, so right now we are in a home page. Okay. So what I want to do, I will in our if I go to my design. So if I go through this design and if I zoom in this, so first thing is that we don't have a app bar in my screen. So last time someone asked me, can we create our own scaffold? So you don't need to use all the element from that scaffold. If you want to create, customize your design, you can do it. So right now you are seeing here, there is no any app bar here. And you can see I have called one image, and on that image, that image I am going to write down the text. So for that, what I am going to do, after the app bar, let me delete this app bar as well. I will just delete this. Okay, and I will just call the body. Okay, and in the body, because my whole structure is getting vertically aligned, so I'm going to call the column. Okay, so in the column, I'm going to call the children. And my first element in my children, let's say I will create a one container first, because I want to have like a separate top portion and the below portion is separate out. So let me use the container first. Okay, and in that container what I'm going to create, I will have like a child, and in that child I will have a stack. Okay, so in that stack it is a similar like a column, and the row it is like a multiple child widget, so it's having a children and image. So I am going to call image.network and we'll give the path. So I think I opened that image somewhere. Okay, so I'm copying this image address and I'm going here and I'm pasting here this thing. So let's see what is the output for this. So you can see here. So this is the design I want. I don't want app bar. So after that, what I want text. So let me show you the effect of the stack first, and then I will create the text. So if I put the any container here again, okay, okay. So see what is happening. So stack is like a the kids play with the stack kind of toys, right? Whatever first you put some ring inside that. So first ring inside that stack, it will go at the bottom. It is a similar way. whatever is the first element in your stack, it will go at as a background. So you can see here the what I have put it the second element after the image. So that element will is the top of the image. If I put some more elements, if I just copy this and so if so you can see the red portion is on the top of the blue portion and the image is at the bottom. So first element always go as a background or as a go down, and whatever element you are inserting in the stack, it will go on the top of that. So this is the concept of the stack first. So now I don't want this containers. I will just have like a text. So let's have the text widget. So what I have done, I have